I slapped her 180 degrees, and it made me feel a whole lot better.
Roxanne is the queen of HU, for fuck's sake. Hindi mo siya pwedeng saktan. Alam mo bakit? You're nothing but a powerless secretary.
Hell yes. And I don't fucking care. Kung inapi at sinaktan ako, laban ako. Queen man yan o Supremo.
Linisin mo buong cafeteria.
Excuse me?
Ang buong cafeteria. Linisin mo na isang linggo. Umpisa mo na mamaya.
Okay, bye. Kung ganon, paalam. Supremo.